A radiologist spent 12 years in school to read X-rays. Today, an AI does it faster and more accurately. But here's the thing, the AI didn't replace them. Their hospital did. And it's happening right now across 47 different job categories. You're about to discover which jobs are already disappearing, which ones are weirdly safe, and the single skill that protects you no matter what. By the end, you'll know exactly where the danger zone is and how to avoid it. Let's start with the jobs gone. Uber has 80,000 drivers. Waymo's robots have driven 20 million miles without a steering wheel. But here's what breaks people's brains. Autonomous trucks in Texas started hauling freight last year with 0 humans in the cab. Not a prototype. Not a test. Right now. Millions of truck drivers are watching this happen. Next, customer service. You've called a company and talked to AI, right? Now imagine that AI doesn't hang up. Doesn't get tired. Doesn't need health insurance. One chatbot can replace 15 customer service reps. JP Morgan fired 300 people last year. One reason, their AI did the job better. They still have thousands of workers, but the entry-level jobs? Gone. Now here's where it gets personal, knowledge work. You learned to write essays, right? Now students are using ChatGPT. Teachers are panicking. But wait, the twist, a human who uses AI to write beats a human who doesn't. A lawyer with AI research tools finishes in 2 hours. A lawyer without? 8 hours. The game isn't, will AI replace me? It's, will I use AI or lose to someone who does? So which jobs are safe? Anything that needs real human judgment, trust, or touch. A plumber fixes pipes in your home. An AI can't. A therapist listens to your problems. You won't trust a robot. A nurse gives care. A teacher mentors. A chef creates. These aren't jobs, they're relationships. That's the secret. AI kills routine. But humans crave humans. The one skill that protects you? Adaptability. Not, I know Python. Not, I'm good at math. The people who survive aren't the smartest, they're the ones who learn the fastest. They pick up tools. They switch lanes. They treat jobs like Minecraft. Someone changed the rules? Build something new. That mindset beats every robot. Here's the takeaway, robots aren't coming to steal jobs. They're here. Right now. The question isn't, will automation happen? It's, will I be the human using the robot or the one replaced by it? The difference? Curiosity. Learning. Staying human. So which job shocked you most? Comment below. And if you're worried about your future, don't be. You're watching this video. You're thinking about this. That makes you dangerous in the best way.